Installing your manual shade is simple. Here's a clear step-by-step guide to getting the perfect fit. Step 1. Prep. Start by making sure the entire window area is clean. Step 2. Mount the brackets. This install uses a ceiling mount. Decide whether you want the shade towards the back or flush to the front. Mark your drill holes and secure each bracket with 2 screws. Step 3. Install the shade. Start with the idler side. Insert the spring-loaded pin into the bracket and compress it. Slide the clutch's octagonal head into the bracket slot and pull down slightly to lock it. Tighten the set screw by hand. Step 4. Setting chain tension and bead stops. Remove the paper strap safely by hand. Install the tensioner device by marking slightly below the chain loop, screwing it in, pulling the device down, and locking it into place. Run the shade up and down to test smooth operation. Set the top stop bead by rolling to the top, pulling the bead down, placing the stop bead on, and crimping it so it stays round. Then, roll the shade to the bottom and crimp the lower bead stop on the correct bead. Step 5. Apply the fascia. Attach the fascia by hooking the top lip first, then snapping the bottom into the bracket. And that's it. Your shade is fully installed and finished with a clean, professional look.